Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung 49-inch Q60R LED TV that I've just received. This is the bottom range or entry-level QLED TV that Samsung is offering right now in 2019. The price that I paid for this is £570, and you would have thought, why is it so cheap? If you're in the UK right now, at least until 31st of October, if you can get access to your employee purchase portal or access to student Beam account, you can actually get 25% discount on all their QLED TVs. I think this is a very good saving because I've just literally checked Richer Sound. This exact TV is currently retailing for £759. So by going through Samsung Direct through your employee purchase portal, you instantly save like £200. So I'm just going to be showing you like what's inside the box. I have got my 43-inch all full HD TV at the back. But anyway, let's see what's in here. The accessory kit. I'm gonna put it here. The quick setup guide. I believe that's the feet for one of them. And that is the second one. I won't be using this because, as you can probably see here, I will be wall mounting it. And then this. Right, taking this out might be a bit challenging, but we shall see. Not sure I could put it down or not, but yeah, okay, it says that I might need help, but never mind. Let's see. Might have trouble. Okay. Right, managed to get this out, and we're gonna rest it here and see what's inside here. There's nothing left, so yeah, that's what's inside here. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Alright, you can see behind here it's the old 43-inch Full HD TV that I've just mentioned. For the size comparison, yeah, you could see it's although it's only 6-inch different diagonally, difference is quite a lot. There you go. Continuing with what's inside, obviously, like I said before, there's a quick setup guide along with the accessory kit and user manual. Let's remove this. Oh, it's quite good packaging. So you could see we are getting obviously the remote, 2 remotes, and the AAA battery, AA battery, and the power socket. Yeah, that's about it. So I've managed to set up the TV, and as you can see, I'm trying out the Amazon Prime 4K UHD streaming. So let's see how it looks. Hello. I'm not sure how well the TV will show through the camera, but it's absolutely stunning.
Firing up the barbecue. I think we've stopped.
Our molecule has changed.
So I've got the TV linked to my Arcam solo bar with the subwoofer, so the sound might be too loud just now. Coming from a Full HD TV to a 4K QLED TV, I am very impressed. Especially streaming at 4K UHD that Amazon Prime is offering. In terms of the picture setting, I didn't tweak a lot other than changing the picture mode to movie, and under expert settings, what I've done is just adjusting the backlight by increasing it and turning off the digital processings, as you can see over there, and changing the color tone to warm 1 because warm 2 is too warm. One thing I did have to do though, it's going into, let me see, external device manager, and under this setting you have to enable the HDMI 3 where your HDMI cable is connected. I mean, there's no harm in enabling every single one of them, but because the Arcam solo bar has got the, I think, ARC, so I can connect every single HDMI cable to the Arcam's HDMI input, and only one cable is connected to the TV. So once I've enabled that, I can play Ultra HD, HDR movie, or program through Amazon Prime or even YouTube videos. So I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching and hope you find this useful.